Mm. Oh. Mm. That was pretty gross. And like, I've tried to come up with another name, and honestly, like, just nothing seems to be better than the Bud Club. Yeah. Nothing seems better than the Bud Club. My goodness. Whew. Drink, I was like sober as it gets. The best DEF CON I've had so far. I think it's the kind of like honest. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Ooh, pizza. No, I don't feel like pizza right now. I don't really feel like food at all. Maybe because I have a lot of gas from that ginger ale that I like. I do swear a lot. I apologize for how much I swear. Alinity is very naughty when Colombian speaking. Oh, what I'm thinking that is possible is that she likes to play with Milo. I think that maybe there's a possibility, like 20-30 minutes away from Vancouver, and it's like up in the mountain, it's up north, and it's kind of, I used to call it the condom. The rubber cover. Yes.